going to post to my page today. Let me see what picture. Yep, this one right here. I think I'm just going to do hashtags. We're going to hashtag all things planner related. If I can find what I'm looking for, there we go. I'm going to do this one, yeah. I think daily. Yeah, here we go. Let's see, planner. Oh, I hate spell check. Backspace, whatever. Come on, get it together. All right, here we go. This is so annoying. I wish there was an easier way than having to keep typing all these hashtags, trying to remember which ones I use for what. There's gotta be a better way. Did somebody say they want a better way on using hashtags? So let's talk about that. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 2 shortcuts you can use to help you with your hashtag nightmare. If you're like me with many accounts and different things that you post, you have a lot of different hashtags that you use. So in today's video, I'm gonna help you. If you wanna check it out, keep watching. Alright, so you guys, like you heard in the beginning of this video, today's how-to video is all about creating shortcuts for your hashtags. But before we actually get into that video, I do want to welcome back all of my subscribers, as well as welcome myself back. I've been MIA for a little while, but I am back for real this time, and I have some amazing videos that I have prepared for you all that I do plan on rolling out in the next few weeks. But if this is your first time, make sure you stop what you're doing and drop me a purple heart in the comments box so that I know that you are new. And as well, if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos now that I am back. All right, so with all of the greetings and the welcome back sayings out there, let's go ahead and get into the details of this video. So today's video is perfect for those that are content creators, YouTubers, social media aficionados that love to use hashtags. And before I actually show you how to create these shortcuts, I want to kind of explain to you why hashtags are important. Hashtags are something that we use on social media to reach an audience that we would not normally reach. And my suggestion in regards to choosing the right hashtag is to go ahead and search those hashtags before you actually use them, because you may be using a hashtag that only has 50 followers. Now, if growing your channel or your pages aren't that important to you, then don't worry about it. But normally what I do before I choose a hashtag, I always go in and search it. Especially on Instagram, it will allow you where you go into search for accounts and usernames. It also has one for tags. So that is where you will look up the specific hashtag that you want to use for your post or your content. So once you find the one that you want to use, then you'll actually put that into your notes so you can go ahead and store them for your shortcuts. And I'll give you the tea about that after all of this. But hashtags are very important. Again, whether you are a planner, or entrepreneur, or just a person that likes to look at how-to videos, you hashtag how-to and you'll find an array of things that you can actually follow and all of that good stuff. So with all that being said, let me go ahead and show you the 2 shortcuts that I have found that work best for me. All right, so I'm going to show you 2 ways to create shortcuts for your hashtags. So I use an iPhone. All devices vary, but I'm pretty sure that you all have a notes or notepad section on your phone. What you want to do is pull that up and start typing in your hashtags. So the way I'm typing them, you don't have to do it that way. You can type them out in sentence format, but I'm just doing this for the visual purpose of this tutorial. So what you want to do is type out all your hashtags. Now, if you have multiple pages, what I would suggest is to create multiple notes and just title them so you know what pages those hashtags are for. Or if you have specific content that has different types of hashtag, do the same thing. So once you've typed out all of your hashtags for your particular page or your particular post, all you have to do is copy all of them and then go to your post and paste them, and there you have it. Now the second way is really cool. So I'm going to type out hair too, and then I'm going to click that whole sentence. You saw how all those hashtags popped up? Super cool. So with the iPhone, you can create shortcuts through your settings. You should be able to do that with your other devices, but because I have an iPhone, I can only show you how to do it with the iPhone. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go to our phone settings, click on settings, and then you want to scroll to general. Once you go to general, you want to select the keypad because the keypad is where your shortcuts are. So you want to go to text replacement, and this is actually where you have your pre-filled things like LOL, on the way. These are shortcuts that have already been pre-created. So we're going to go ahead and create our shortcut. Now, I highly recommend to name it because that's how your shortcut will be able to be activated when you're ready to use it. So we're just going to put testing on here just for the sake of the tutorial. And then you want to go to your phrase. Your phrase is where you put your hashtags. And I'm going to go ahead and just paste the hashtags that I already created, and you can do the same thing. So if you don't want to type them all out, I would still suggest to put them in your notes so you can copy and paste them and add them. And so as you see, I have the testing shortcut or text replacement here and ready to use. So now I'm going to go back to my notes just to show you how easy that is. So I'm going to actually go ahead and type out the full word testing. It's important that you type out the full word because you're not going to get your hashtag shortcut to pop up. If you just partially write it and then hit the pre-filled word, it's not going to work. So again, you want to type out the whole word testing. That way all of your hashtags will pop up for you. Super easy. Will change how you post, cut time down so you don't have to, and also help with you not having to worry about remembering every single hashtag for every type of post that you have. All right, so I hope that video was helpful. It was short and sweet and to the point. And sometimes I feel like those videos are the best videos, even though you guys say you like to see me on camera and like to hear me talk a little bit. But this video was short and to the point. Again, I am an Apple user, so the the notepad and the settings that I went to was specific to iPhones. But whether you're an iPhone or Android user, I'm pretty sure that you have settings in your phone that allow you to do the same thing. Again, all you have to do is just look for a notebook, notepad, notes, whatever's on your device. If you don't have one, Google Play, Apple Store, you can search for a notepad and add that into your app selection so you can be able to use that to store your hashtags. And as well, if you check your general settings, it should be an option for you to go in, find your keyboard, find your, I don't know, it's called short text or text replacement option, and go in, play around with it and see if it works. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed that, make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know if you want to see me do more how-to videos. And as well, if you haven't done so by now, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell because more videos are coming your way and I don't want you to miss them because I know I miss you guys, so I want to go ahead and make sure that I show some love as well. So if you have any questions, again, drop the comments in the comments box. Any suggestions on videos, drop them in the comments box because y'all know I love to get some suggestions. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video for today. But again, I enjoyed this short time with you all and I can't wait to put some more videos out there for you guys to watch. So until next time, loves, peace.